Well, so this is a review of the of the movie called Dolly Kitty or Wo Chamakte Sitare, that is on Netflix, that stars Konkana Sen Sharma and Bhumi Pednekar and Amol Parashar, uh, and Vikrant Massey, among others. So this movie has been directed by Alankrita Srivastav, and um, it is set in Noida, and it is like it's all about these two sisters, cousin sisters, who are like basically exploring life, like in terms of um, we are shown about how these two sisters are originally they are said to be from Bihar, but now that they are in Noida, one has begun working at a call center at night, which the kind of work involves is these chat lines, sex lines, or whatever, sex chats or whatever. So it's a very this movie attempts to say a lot, but really it is. Um, at the end of the movie, you're not sure just what is it that is, like हिंदी में बोलते हैं मुद्दे पे आओ, like come to the point, but it is you just keep watching it, and it's perhaps the movie attempts to say many things at the same time, but really, but Bhumi Pednekar, her character, like her, she portrays her any role given to her with such with like you can feel her, the kind of angst that she's going through, and angst means the kind of trauma, and she's and of course Konkona Sen Sharma is also, as always, and Neelima Azim is also who is the mother of Shahid Kapoor, and and her other son is also in the movies. So she's seen in one scene, but it's very, the movie has many layers, and it's nothing is really fully explained. So you all can watch it, people. It's called, I mean, it's a very different sort of film, like different as in it'll give you insight into how life in UP is, Uttar Pradesh, like Noida, that area. So yeah, so the movie you can catch it on Netflix. On that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.